this machine, we are demonstrating die and mold component. It is a major demand of industry for the die and mold component. Apart from that, we are also targeting other industries like automotive. For this demonstration, we work along our partners, Hexagon WORKNC for CAM programming and for tooling Zecha. So as you can see, we have achieved very good surface finish. So customers are visiting and appreciating the work we had done here.
Hexagon WORKNC software is a premium CAM software. It's well known for the high precision machining, high material removal, having the unique technology for the machining, where the big size IP molds, bumper molds, is helping to get the optimized cycle time, giving the high precision machining and the good surface quality.
Zecha has the best solution to achieve the good RA value. You can reduce your production time. We have a specific geometry for die and mold industry. It's a trust factor where Mazak, Hexagon and Zecha has come together to show the best solution for die and mold industry.